Hello, parents. How are you all doing today? Welcome to BrightCHAMPS YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore an exciting topic, Gen Alpha parenting tips. We are diving into 4 valuable insights and strategies that will help you navigate the unique challenges of raising Generation Alpha. Before we start off, quickly subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. As parents, we know how important it is to stay informed and adapt to the evolving world our children are growing up in. So let's jump right in with our first tip, digital balance. In this digital age, finding the right balance between screen time and real-life experiences is crucial. We'll share effective techniques to limit screen time and ensure your child's development is well-rounded. You can set screen time limits, encourage offline hobbies that don't involve screens, have family board games, or set screen-free zones at home, where neither you nor your kid can use a screen. Lead by example. Bill Gates once said that he is a big believer that learning about the world is the most important thing. So he wants his kids to have as broad a perspective as they can. He said that they're going to have computers and phones and be exposed to all kinds of things, but the limit on screen time should be quite strict. This emphasizes the significance of a well-rounded education and broad perspective for children. Now, tip number 2, nurturing creativity. Encouraging your child's creativity is a powerful tool for their cognitive and emotional growth. We'll explore activities and exercises that stimulate their imagination and unlock their hidden talents. Let's talk about STEM education. In a world driven by technology, providing your child with a solid foundation in STEM education is essential. Let's consider a realistic and practical tip to make learning these subjects fun and engaging for your little ones. You can introduce them to an array of next-gen skills like coding, robotics, financial literacy, or even advanced communication bases their interests. Now, you must be wondering how to do that. That's where we come in. Subscribe to our channel for more such content and click on the link in the description to book a free demo with our experts from the comfort of your home. Moving on to our next tip number 3, social and emotional development. Fostering healthy social and emotional skills is vital for your child's overall well-being. Talk to them and nurture empathy, resilience, and strong relationships. Remember, you are laying the groundwork for their future success. Here are a few ways you can do this. Movies and games can be powerful tools for quickly teaching kids empathy and resilience and building strong relationships. You can use references from Toy Story, which explores themes of friendship, loyalty, and empathy, highlighting the importance of strong relationships and supporting one another. Or the Disney classic tale, The Lion King, where a young lion must navigate challenges and learn the importance of responsibility and resilience. It teaches lessons about family, friendship, and the power of overcoming adversity. Create storytelling or character-building activities. Encourage your child to create their own stories or characters based on the movies or games they enjoy. It promotes creativity, empathy, and resilience as they navigate through the storytelling process. Promote positive communication. Teach your child effective communication skills, such as active listening, using kind words, and expressing themselves clearly. Finally, we come to our last tip number 4, quality family time. Amidst our busy lives, carving out quality time to bond with our children is priceless. Doing this will strengthen family bonds, create cherished memories, and ensure a solid foundation for their development. That's it for today. Hope you found these insights helpful and empowering. Remember, by implementing these strategies, you can raise confident, well-rounded, and future-ready children. Until next time, keep embracing the adventure of parenting the amazing Generation Alpha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. Thanks for watching.